A powerful winter storm that swept down the west coast with flooding and frigid temperature shifted its focus to Southern California on Saturday, swelling rivers to dangerous levels and dropping snow in even low-lying areas around Los Angeles. The National Weather Service said it was one of the strongest storms overhit Southern California, and even as the volume of wind and rain dropped, it continued to have significant impact, including snowfall down to elevations as low as 1,000 feet. Hills around suburban Santa Clarita north of Los Angeles were blanketed in white, and snow also surprised inland suburbs to the east. Blizzard warnings continued in the mountains and flood advisories blanketed the region. But forecasters offered some relief, predicting the storm would taper off later in the day.